Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a stopwatch on your Casio watch. So the stopwatch will run for just under 24 hours, so a long amount of time. Now to get into it we have to go into stopwatch by hitting this button here. So every time we press it, it will move along and you need to stop where it says STW. So that's stopwatch mode here. Now even if we exit the stopwatch mode, it will still be running in the background up to 24 hours, as like I just mentioned. So if we start it, we're going to hit this button here and you can see it is now running. If I was to exit this, it will still be running in the background. So if I go back to it now, you will still see that it's running here, like so. Now to stop it, we just hit this one again, and then we can restart it by hitting this one, and we can stop it again, and we clear it by hitting this one here. So that's the main thing that you're going to be using it for there, and then just clear it here. If you want to do a split time, then you're going to start it here by hitting this button here. And instead of hitting this button, we're now going to hit this button here and it will do the split time. So wait until it gets to, for example, 10 seconds. And there we go. So we can record that time there. You see 10 seconds and 57 hundredths of a second. And now when we want to see what the time is now, because it's still running in the background, just hit this button again and you can see we're up to 26 seconds, 27 seconds, 28, so it's still running there. So that's how to do split time. Now let's say if you were doing a race and you wanted to get the two finishers on here, but they might be close to each other, so you might not have enough time to do it via the normal way of, doing the split and then stopping it and seeing what the second time is. So you would do this. So you start the race and let's pretend now the first one finishes at 5 seconds here. Boom. And then we're going to write down that time there. Oh, and the second one's finished. It hasn't moved it here. We can still write down the time of the first one, but it's already stopped the second one. If we go to here now, the second one finished at 8 seconds there. So let's just do that again. So you start the race here, and when the first one finishes, we're going to hit this button here. And then the second one finishes just after we hit that button there. This is the time of the first finish. You can see 3 seconds and 99 hundredths of a second. And then if we were to do this button here, it would display the second time, which is 4 seconds and 93 hundredths of a second. So it's a nice little feature. So that's how to use a stopwatch on your Casio watch. When you're all finished, you can reset to there and you just move back to your normal time again. Thanks for watching.